Do you want to master Shopify SEO and boost your online store success? Welcome to the world of search engine optimization, or SEO, where the right strategies can skyrocket your Shopify store's visibility, traffic, and sales. But what is Shopify SEO, and why is it so crucial for online store owners? Let's find out. Shopify SEO is all about optimizing your online store to rank higher in search engine results. Think of it this way. When potential customers use search engines like Google to find products they're interested in, the higher your store ranks, the more likely they are to click on your link and make a purchase. So, in essence, Shopify SEO is like your store's beacon, guiding customers to your virtual doorstep. Now, you might be wondering why Shopify SEO is so important. Well, in a digital world bustling with countless online stores, standing out can be a real challenge. That's where Shopify SEO comes into play. It's the secret weapon that can set your store apart from the competition, helping you attract more visitors and ultimately, generate more sales. Think of it as the difference between having your store tucked away in a quiet corner or placing it right on the bustling main street where all the action is. With effective Shopify SEO, your store becomes more visible to your target audience, increasing the chances of converting them into paying customers. Moreover, optimized Shopify SEO not only increases your store's visibility, but also improves its credibility. A high ranking in search results signals to potential customers that your store is a trusted and reputable source, making them more likely to choose you over competitors. So, whether you're just starting out with your online store or looking to take your existing business to new heights, understanding and implementing Shopify SEO is key. It's not just about getting your store out there, it's about getting it in front of the right people, at the right time, and in the right way. Ready to dive into the strategies that can take your online store to the next level? Let's go! The first step in mastering Shopify SEO is understanding the importance of keyword research. Imagine being a librarian with millions of books to manage. And then, someone walks in and asks for a book without giving you the title, but only a vague description of what it's about. Sounds challenging, right? Well, this is exactly what search engines have to do when people type in their queries. So how do they manage it? Through keywords. Keyword research, in essence, is about understanding the language your potential customers are using when they're on the hunt for the products or services you offer. It's about getting into the heads of your customers and figuring out what terms they're typing into that search bar. Now, why is this so important? First off, it's vital for understanding your market. Knowing what terms people are searching for, the demand for these terms, and the content of the sites ranking for these terms can provide valuable insights into the market dynamics. Secondly, it's all about visibility. The right keywords can make your online store more visible to the right audience. It's like having a brightly lit sign outside a brick-and-mortar store. Without it, potential customers might just stroll on by without ever knowing what they're missing. But it's not just about getting any traffic, it's about getting the right kind of traffic. By using the right keywords, you're more likely to attract visitors who are interested in what you have to offer and are ready to make a purchase. In the world of SEO, it's crucial to remember that it's not just about quantity, but quality. 1,000 visitors who leave your site without making a purchase aren't as valuable as 100 visitors who do. And that's where effective keyword research comes in. It's a powerful tool, a compass guiding your SEO strategy, pointing you in the right direction. It's about more than just getting your site to rank higher. It's about connecting with your customers, understanding their needs, and providing them with solutions. Remember, effective keyword research is the foundation of a successful SEO strategy. Now that you've got your keywords, it's time to optimize your site with on-page SEO techniques. On-page SEO is the practice of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. It's like the heart of SEO that pumps life into your website. Understanding the key elements of on-page SEO is vital for the success of your online store. Let's start with title tags. Imagine a bookshelf filled with books but no titles on them. How would you know which one to pick? That's exactly how search engines feel when your web pages don't have title tags. These tags offer a preview of the content on your page. So, make sure your title tags are concise, descriptive, and include your targeted keywords. Next, let's talk about meta descriptions. These are like snippets of your web page that appear under the title in search engine results. A compelling meta description can improve click-through rates, so craft them wisely, and don't forget to sprinkle in your keywords. URL structure is another on-page SEO element that often gets overlooked. A clean, well-structured URL is not just user-friendly, but also search engine-friendly. It should be simple, coherent, and include your primary keyword. Now, let's delve into product descriptions. These are your opportunities to sell your product to both your customers and search engines. They should be detailed, engaging, and keyword-rich. Remember, the better your product descriptions, the better your chances of attracting and converting potential customers. And here's a pro tip. Use your keywords naturally. Stuffing your content with keywords won't do any good. In fact, it can harm your SEO efforts. The key is to strike a balance between using keywords and maintaining the quality of your content. On-page SEO is all about making your site and content more readable and accessible to both your customers and search engines. So, optimize wisely and see your online store climb up the search engine ladder. Off-page SEO techniques are equally important in mastering Shopify SEO. Let's dive into the world of off-page SEO. This focuses on strengthening the influence and relationship your website has with other websites. It includes strategies to build a website's reputation and authority. These strategies help increase visibility, which is crucial for your online store's success. First on the list is link building. This is essentially getting other websites to link back to your website. In the eyes of search engines, backlinks from other sites signal that your content is valuable and reliable. It's like a vote of confidence from the internet community. But remember, it's quality over quantity. Receiving links from reputable and relevant websites is more beneficial than having a multitude of links from lesser-known websites. Now let's talk social media marketing. While social media signals may not have a direct impact on search rankings, they affect your search engine optimization efforts in primarily 4 ways: increased online visibility and traffic, broader content distribution, and improved local SEO. By engaging with users on different social media platforms, you create an avenue for your content to be shared more, thus increasing its visibility. Last but not least, we have influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in your industry can help you reach a wider audience. When an influencer shares your content or links to your website, their followers are likely to check out your online store. This not only brings in potential customers, but also signals to search engines that your website is relevant and valuable. In conclusion, off-page SEO techniques are about building relationships and online reputation. They involve efforts to promote your website on the internet beyond just your own website. It's about making sure the world knows about your online store, its products, and why it's worth visiting. Incorporating off-page SEO strategies helps in building your online store's credibility and improving its visibility on search engines. Finally, mastering Shopify SEO requires continuous monitoring and adjusting of your SEO strategy. It's like navigating a ship. You set your course, but you also need to make regular checks and adjustments to ensure you're still on the right path. Monitoring your SEO strategy is crucial in understanding how well your efforts are paying off. Are you seeing an increase in organic traffic? Are more people finding your online store through search engines? By keeping an eye on these metrics, you can gauge the effectiveness of your SEO techniques and identify areas of improvement. Now you might be wondering, how do you monitor your SEO strategy? That's where tools like Google Analytics and Shopify's own analytics come in. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into how users find and interact with your site. It tells you which keywords are driving the most traffic, which pages are most popular, and much more. Shopify's built-in analytics, on the other hand, offers more specific insights related to your store. It shows you your store's total sales, the number of visits, the average order value, and other key metrics. This information can help you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to make informed decisions about your SEO strategy. But monitoring is only half the battle. Based on the insights you gain, you'll need to make necessary adjustments to your SEO strategy. Maybe you need to focus more on certain keywords, or perhaps your product pages need better optimization. Whatever the case may be, the goal is to continuously improve your SEO efforts to boost your online store's visibility and attract more customers. And remember, SEO is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adjustments based on the results you're seeing. So keep monitoring, keep adjusting, and keep striving for that top spot in the search engine results. It may take time, but with persistence and dedication, you'll see your online store climb the ranks and reach new heights of success. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task. It requires continuous effort and adjustments based on the results you're seeing.